My students ask me this question every single semester. What language should I learn to get a job in 2026? The honest answer is it depends on what you want to build. But there are clear winners based on where the jobs are and where the industry is heading. I'm an IT professor. And here is the honest breakdown of the most important languages right now. JavaScript and TypeScript dominate the web and are growing in AI. 80% of developers who go from junior to senior in 2 years use TypeScript. Python owns data science, machine learning, and AI. The ecosystem is unmatched. NumPy, PyTorch, TensorFlow. If you want to work in AI, Python is not optional. Java and C# run the enterprise. Large banks, insurance companies, and government systems run on these. They are not flashy. They pay reliably. Now the rising languages. Rust for systems programming. It is the most loved language for the 8th year in a row. Growing in infrastructure, browser engines, and performance-critical AI. Go for back-end services. Simpler than Rust, used by Docker, Kubernetes, and much of the cloud infrastructure. Swift and Kotlin for mobile. If you are building native mobile apps, these are the only real options. And SQL. Not a general-purpose language, but it is everywhere. In 2026, SQL is the most underrated language. AI generates SQL. You need to review it. So here is the bottom line. Start with JavaScript or Python depending on whether you want web or AI. Add TypeScript early. Learn SQL no matter what. And watch Rust or Go as you grow. Languages are tools. The fundamentals of clean code, design patterns, and problem-solving transfer across all of them. I'm an IT professor. If this helped, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. Which language are you learning right now? I'll see you in the next one.